Hey everyone, I am Aqilah and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you what's inside my bag and what the item that I usually bring when I go to campus. So exactly, I got this tote bag from my parents and there's two space, small space, get that inside, yeah, and then the big space. First thing is extra marks. Yeah, I use it when the situation is urgent, guys. Next, my wallet. This is my wallet. Wallet as usual, black color. See, and then this is I put my cash and my ID card and other card. Next, my earphone. This is my earphone and this is my important things, like I can listen to music everywhere. When I go to campus by bus, I listen to music with this, so it's important things, guys. Next, this is strap marks, so the hijabers like me or you guys who watch this video, it's important, right, for us, because you don't use your marks like you don't wear your marks like this, but you also just have this and you should just put it like this. See, it's simple way, and you can so this like that. So it's simple. And another important things item for hijabers like me and you. Okay, next, exactly, this beside me, there's my bottles of water. This is my bottles that I always bring every day when I go to campus. When I go to university, I always bring this because it with this type bottle, I don't buy the other bottle like water, so just need this. And I have my own bottles of water, so you guys don't forget to bring your bottles and drink water every day. Good. Next, Mexican. This is my mask that I wear yesterday. Because yesterday I had activity schedule, so it's the mask. Because yesterday the situation was so hot, so to protect my face I use my mask. Next is, guys, I'm gonna show you just don't looking for my hijab. This is my pouch, so another item that I bring inside this pouch. So let's open this. So many. Okay, the first thing is the first item, micellar water. So when I wanted to pray, I clean my face for makeup with this micellar water, and it's really recommended, guys. Actually, my friends recommended this micellar water and I bought it, and it was good. I bought it 2 days ago, maybe. I forgot, but it's good. Next, this. So the next item is cotton. So it's useful, guys. This useful when you want to go, when you wanna pray, you must clean your face from makeup. Next is my loose powder that I always use. Oh my god, that I use, and from Emina Daily Matte loose powder, and then the shade is light beige, number 1, light beige. It's good, guys. It's recommend you. And look at my face. I use this. It's really good and works for yourself, for your face, I mean. And oil control is good, guys. I everyday use this and recommend you. Lip balm, guys. It's important. Lip balm is important. As usual, I use a Vaseline Rosy Lips. Next, this is lip tint from Azarin and shade Strawberry Pie, number 5. Also, this color is good, like pink color, cute like that, and it's so cute. Like, look at that. And when I put this, I try on. So look at that. The color is pink, but this camera is also pink, like red, pink like that, but actually pink color. Next, so I have 2 whiteboard marker. So sometimes I bring this to help the lecturer to use this on the whiteboard. So I give my lecturer to use this. Next, and I have 2 blue pen. Just as usual, blue pen. Not have real reason. Eraser, but I forgot about the pencil. I don't know where is it now. Sorry, I just forget. So I just show you my eraser. Okay, next. What's the meaning? Correction pen. Exactly, correction pen. Fresh care. I use this when I feel not good, and the smell is good. So if you feel not good and you have activity or you have schedule, you can use it. But you use max, and after that another. It's important. If I don't bring this book, I cannot write anything. Actually, the fun fact is I have a pen on this inside my book. Look at this. This is my safety item. Exactly. Okay, I wear this when the urgent situation like rain. I use this, and the name is raincoat. So this useful when the rain is coming. So it will be protect me when I go to university. Finish. There's no another item inside my bag, and just it. So there's an item that I usually always bring when I go to university. So this is my video. What's inside in my bag. Thank you for watching. and see you next video. Bye bye.